How to build a profitable list and acquire leads at a negative cost. In other words, how to get people to actually pay you to join your mailing list. What's up, everyone? James Jernigan here, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you here. I'm going to show you in a diagram in just a second, but first I want to show you the exact steps we'll be using so that you can do this for yourself. Before we go any further, you can grab a clone of the funnel I'm going to be using here, as well as a full training that shows step by step how I built this funnel in a screen share at the link right down below this video. But this is basically what we're going to be doing here. We're going to create a landing page that offers a free training in exchange for somebody opting into your list. Then we're going to create a simple free training video that reveals valuable information and sells a low ticket download. Then we're going to make an urgent offer to solve their big problem immediately at a very special price. Then finally, we're going to follow up using automation until they come back and buy. And hopefully they'll come back and buy multiple things over and over again. So I want to show you exactly what that looks like. Before I draw it out in a diagram, here's one of these funnels I just set up for my friend Phil here. So here's how it works. Busy business owner reveals how he was able to get in shape fast while running 3 separate businesses and raising 2 kids. Then we have a before and after picture here. Learn Phil's secret. So what happens when I opt in here is you'll see, just give me a second to put in my information. There we go. Let me type in my email here. Just click on it. So submit. So now what happens is I'm suddenly on Phil's email list, but then I'm brought to this page. It says, do not close the window, the secret to maintaining this incredible dad bod. And then here he's going to tell me about the secret and offer me a discount. So if we come back and look at the steps here, we've watched the free training video, right? That's the video here on this page. Now the button right beneath that makes an urgent offer to solve the big problem immediately. So the big problem is these people want to learn how to get in shape too. So now they have an option to save 15% right now just using this code. So when they click this link, now what happens is they're immediately sent over to the link that makes Phil money, the affiliate offer for this store here. So here I can buy any of these products, and if I buy them through his link, then Phil earns the money. So that's what we're setting up here. But the magic happens not in just this first product sale. Whether or not I buy something or I close the window, then automation is going to follow up every day using a variety of emails, text messages, and phone calls until I ultimately come back and buy not one, but multiple things from my friend Phil's link. So here's what that looks like. This is what most people do when they go to promote any kind of offer online. This here equals a video. A lot of people use short form video to promote their content, but this could be an ad, this could be a Facebook post, a blog post, really anything that you're doing to tell people about your product. Most people just send people directly to the affiliate link. But the problem with that is then if they bounce, if this person sees your offer and they're not interested, which is what most people do, by the way, which is why you're going to have to send, like, normally it's at least 100 clicks on an offer to get a sale, especially in affiliate marketing. You might have higher numbers than that if you have a specialty product. But the point is you have to send a lot of people to this offer before one actually buys and makes you money. So here's how you can fix that problem really simply, and that's by using one of these automated funnels that I'm telling you about. Because what this does is it interrupts this process here. So this represents a little opt-in, right? There's where you put the email address in, the button to submit. So then what happens is the person's put into your list and automation can follow up with them and send them email after email every single day, reminding them to come back and buy your product. So they came here from the video or from the ad or from your Facebook post, they opted in. Then they immediately saw your affiliate offer. But if they bounce, that's okay because now they get a message the next day and they get a message the next day. And this might be a text message or it might be a voicemail. We can send all three, emails, text messages, and voicemails. We could do that over and over again until this person buys our product. So I hope that explains how this automated system works. And like I said, if you want to see the full training on exactly how I built this funnel that sends people directly to Phil's affiliate offer here while also putting them on his list so that automations can follow up with them dozens, if not hundreds of times, then you know what to do. Click the link right down below this video. You can actually just clone this fitness funnel that I made for my friend Phil with one click, as well as see the full training on how I built it, and try the automation software free for 2 weeks. So you can literally just have this exact funnel set up for yourself in a matter of minutes without spending a single dollar, just by clicking the link down below this video. And what it ultimately boils down to is as many of these automated messages as you set up in your sequence. For example, say you set up 30 of these automated messages, well, now you've just 30x'd your chance of making a sale of your product, service, or affiliate link. So I hope you see how valuable this is.